welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I colored my hair with the Adore color mix with grease, with the Pantene moisturizer, conditioner, and a bowl, and I put that together and I will mix it together. Of course, I need to have gloves because I don't want my hands to get any red dye on it. I am greasing my edges, my hairline, so that I don't get dye on my hair or on my forehead or my ears. But if it does, I'm perfectly fine with that because the good thing about this dye is that it rinses right off when I wash it. Now I am putting the Adore mix in my bowl. Look at, excuse my face, but I'm putting the Pantene conditioner as a lift to help my hair become a little lighter. I put a lot of that in there because I knew that I was afraid that I didn't have enough to cover to get all of my dreads. So I put a lot of conditioner in there and I just mixed it and mixed it and mixed it until the white was override with the red. So like I said, that I'm perfectly fine if I get a little color on my skin because it's going to come off as soon as I wipe it off with baby wipes or a little bit of oil. I break my hair into 4 sections so that I can apply the color to my hair, and I started my roots because it's just easier for me to do it. If I had a lighter color, I would start my roots so that way my roots will be a little lighter with everything else. So I did find it a little hard to apply because the gloves wouldn't stay on, and I was ready to take the gloves off. So I was very disappointed with the gloves. However, I did not do that. I put a lot on my edges because it was very important to me to make sure that my edges were very, very light. And I know that it's going to take a little more than a little better than the rest of my hair because my dreads were blonde. But yeah, so as you can see that my gloves are falling off, and it was very hard. I just pulled those gloves from like the black and I forgot the name of the brand of dye, but I just pulled it from another dye box that I got from Target. And as I am coloring my hair, I decided to put them like in huge bantu knots, and I just go ahead and just do the same thing that I've done to the front, to the back. I got the back really good. Very, very good, actually. And again, my edges were the most, not my edges, my, my ends were very important to me because those are the one, that's what I really wanted to be like extremely light. And I got like the back of my hair. Once I'm done, I pull it all up into one, and I am getting a grocery bag to put on top of my hair. As you can see, that is my daughter right there. She's going to help me put the grocery bag on top of my hair. And what the grocery bag does, it brings heat to your hair, and it helps the color take a little more. Um,
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you about my hair.
so as you can tell, the color is taken very, very well, and I'm very excited. Um, I let it sit in my hair for a total of 2 hours to get the color that I wanted. Um, I was very impressed with the color. I actually love the color. I am feeling myself. It's almost the same color as my shirt, so I was extremely excited about that. So once I was done with my hair, I added a little bit of tea tree oil on it, and I also took a baby wipe and I'm wiping my hairline because it has red dye. So this is me just wiping it away, wiping it off. I do it into my whole entire hair. Also, after I've retwisted my hair, I went back in and I did the parts because my scalp was extremely red. So I did the same exact thing that I'm doing now once I've retwisted my hair. So this is me once I've retwisted my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comment or solutions, let me know. Bye bye.